So we're delighted to have you here and thanks for making the time. We want to get you in the hands of the experts and masters that you'll see scattered throughout the room. It's all about getting you more value from your investment in BigChange. We'll get your system up and actually see how you're using it and see how we can increase your adoption or usage of features to get more value.
It was really powerful listening of how different people were at different parts of implementation. Although we weren't in the same industry, it was great that we were all having the same challenges. It was really good to see where we could see some improvements and a roadmap to be able to say, actually, if we got some support, we could implement that quite quickly.
I think we had some good conversations in there as a group. I think we covered basically all of the system in a day. And I think there's a good couple action plans as well in place and where people need to go. Obviously the support's in place for you guys as well, and we're going to get that all sorted.
It's just nice to be able to have that one-on-one time to speak to the BigChange team in person and to literally help us and hold our hands through different areas. Being here and able to go through it in detail was really useful. So thank you.